Good evening, everybody. I'm the Daily Trader. It is October 21st, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is up $7.16. That's 3.45%. Closed at 214.44. Post market, we were up by 18 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. Wednesday, we had the earnings call. Then Tesla dropped yesterday, and now we seem to be rebounding quite okay. So again, 205 is a very important support. We briefly went outside of it today during the day, but aside from that, it's a nice green candle that we are having. And we are now officially back outside of this downward channel. So far, the downward trend seems to have stopped again. Of course, when there is a break with only one close outside, one candle that closes outside, it's less a sure thing than if we have two or more. Like we had one here, but then we came back in. So this was a break and then we came back in. So now we have another break. So we are going to see Monday if this still holds. In terms of the 1 hour chart, that was a nice day today. The first hour of the day has a long wick at the top, long wick at the bottom. And we basically opened the hour and closed it at almost the same price. So the stock market was pretty much undecided. But then things started to come back up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours straight, we came back up. Stochastic is barely below 60. So this move is almost a valid move. And we are getting very close to the top that we made yesterday. So if we break that resistance at 214.52 and if we have a good stochastic, so at least on the 1 hour chart, it means that we are going to go someplace. But then we have a bunch of resistance right here that we need to break if Tesla wants to go higher. And we have some downward resistance right here. So far, it remains to be seen, but Tesla could easily go to 225 without breaking a sweat too much if things in the market are okay. Coming back on the daily chart, we have a stochastic extremely low at 14. It should take a while for Tesla to recover because stochastic is at 14. It would take 10-15 days to have a really decent valid move on the daily chart, stochastic over 60. So we are not there yet. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.